wanna come off narcissistic.
Man, I promise you, for you who have aspiring to be YouTubers and who have already been successful YouTubers, I have finally understood what it means when you say it took you forever to get a video out with all the issues, and that how you meant to do it, and things just kept happening. Well, this is my video. I'm gonna take you back down through memory lane. This is what happened. All right, so yeah, like I stated, I'm about to head to Dallas, and the quad, guys, was in the shop for about 2 weeks, week and a half. She was down. I'm gonna go over, when I get to Dallas, I'm gonna go over what was actually wrong with her. She has 19,900 miles on her, almost 20,000 miles. So should nothing have been terribly wrong with her. However, it was. Just ride with me, guys. We're going to Dallas, do some shooting, have some fun. I mean, again, this video is going to really just be about what was wrong with the quad, and she did get fixed, but really should I trade her in. See you soon. Had to make a stop in Dallas, out here to Rudy's Chicken. If you haven't been to Dallas, Rudy's Chicken, one of, it's probably the best darn chicken I've ever had. But I couldn't come to Dallas without stopping at Rudy's Chicken. Just giving you a little slight tour. Let me know, man. Rudy's Chicken, Dallas, Texas. It's an interesting neighborhood. Dallas, well, I was on my way to Dallas. Oh, let me get the story straight. There's kids in the background. All right. Just stop it.
2,000 years later.
So, what was the issue? All right, I suspected that my battery was actually dying. So when I got ready to do the auto start, it was very hesitant upon starting up. Now, I do not drive my quad a lot. However, I do keep it on a battery tender. So I was thinking, well, maybe I just need to replace the battery. But I didn't want to get stranded out, thinking I'm looking good, driving all fast, and then get somewhere and my car doesn't start. So I was like, let's just go replace the battery. So I take it into Alfa Romeo of Austin, which is cool. Great dealership as far as service is concerned. So as you stated, I'm going to read it directly from what happened. This is actually the service department. So it says, customer stated the vehicle has a lagging when trying to turn on. Please test battery and advise. Okay. While there, I said, hey, you might as well do my service interval, which was a tire rotation, oil change, brake fluid flush, all of that stuff. Recommended maintenance. You want to make sure I take care of my car. So it's like, no problem. We'll get that done. I'm driving around. Well, I didn't walk the dealership to go speak to some of the salesmen, laughing and stuff like that. I get a call that says, hey, Mr. Connolly, you can't take your car home. So I said, what's wrong with my baby? They said, found fuel smell upon inspection. So this is where I'm like, all right, fuel smell, okay, whatever. They end up replacing the fuel rail injector supply, fuel rail injector, fuel seal injector, gasket intake manifold, and some few, basically the entire fuel side of the, looks like injector side of the fuel rail replacement of an engine that's less than 20,000 miles, essentially. Sorry if my lingo isn't the correct lingo, but I'm not a mechanic, okay? I just buy cars, drive them really fast, and I like them. All right, so basically, at the end of the day, that's a lot that I feel should be done for a car that hasn't been tracked, doesn't have 20,000 miles on it. So it has me to pondering, should I just trade the car in, cut my losses? I mean, I haven't paid anything out of pocket, but cut my losses. Is this something normal, right? do have other quad owners experience the same thing? Look, I'm not one to call it quits so early, but I don't even know honestly what I would get if I even were to trade her in and to get something new. But anyway, I digress. I just wanted you guys to know that the quad was in the shop for 2 weeks. I have been trying to get this video out 4 weeks. I really appreciate you guys checking out my videos. She is better. I did get her back. They did take care of her. Again, more professional videos coming soon, but bear with me right now. I'm just trying to get them out as much as I can. Again, shout out to my son. He watches all my videos. I know you're in trouble right now, but I love you. And we'll talk to you soon. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's a foreign story, man. I'm so excited to have you guys. Hey, only can go up from here. I did say welcome. Whatever. Hey, like, share, subscribe if you think that this is worth it. And if you have any helpful tips or helpful comments, please feel free to comment at the bottom. Hey, this isn't a sponsor video by any kind of means. I'm just here to help you guys out. I love my car community, no matter what kind of car you own. Hey, it's been real. Have a good one.